Good morning class. Are you ready for math class? Today I am going to tell you about SCF by prime factorization method. You can open the page number 81 in your book. Okay. Now I will tell you what is a SCF. SCF or highest common factor is the greatest factor that two numbers have in common with each other. Now over here we need the SCF. We find the SCF of 78, 84 and 96. So we have three number here. What is the SCF of three number? It is the greatest factor. That is greatest number which divides all three numbers. So the highest number which is factor of all three. So I can find the factors all the three numbers. And then the common factor and then the highest common factor, that it would take lot of time because we have three number. The factor of three number, then finding the common factor and then finding the highest common factor. Common factor we take lot of time, so we can use prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. What is that? In that method, prime factorization method, each number individually. So I will take first number. First number is 78. 78. 78 divisible by 2. 2 3 are 6. 2 9 are 18. Gives me 39. Okay. 39 divisible by 2? No. I will check next prime factor of next prime factor is 3. So I will take 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. It gives me 13. 13 is a prime number. It is divisible by 1 and itself. So 13 1s are 13. We get 1 and stop here. So we get 78 factors. 2 multiply 3 multiply 13. Okay. I will take next number. Next number is 84. 84 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Again 40. It gives me 42. 42 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. It gives me 21. 21 divided by 2? No. Okay, I will check next prime factor. Next prime factor is which is 3. So I will take 3. 3 7 are 21. And next is 7. 7 is a prime number. So 7 divided by 7 because prime factor is a because prime factor is divisible by number 1 itself. Okay. And we get 1. So stop here. Now we get the prime factor of 84. I will write here 84 prime factor. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 and then 7. Okay. What is the next number? My next number is 96. 96 divided by 2. We get 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. Okay, now again we divide by 2 because the last digit is even number, so we will take 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Now 24 divided by 2 again. So 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. We get 12. 12 is divided by 2 again. We get 6 here. 6 is divisible by 2. So I will take 2 is there. 2 3s are 6. Now we take 3. We get 3. 3 is a prime number. So 3 divided by 3. 3 3 1s are 3. We get 1. So stop here. Now we have to write here 96 prime factor. 2 multiply 2. How many times 2? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2. So we have to write here 5 times 2. 2, 1, multiply 2, multiply 2, multiply 2, 2 multiply 2. Then multiply 3. So I have prime factors of 3 number. I need to consider any one which have lowest number prime factor. Suppose I have take 78. 70 has lowest digit here. So I take 2 multiply 3 multiply 13. So I take 2, 3 and 13 1 by 1. Whether I will find partner for this factor into as well as. Okay, I have 2 here. So 2 is here and 2 also is here. So remember, I need find the partner in all 3. 2 should be present all the 3 numbers. So I will write here 2. Okay, next I will take 3. Corresponding this I have take 3. So 3 is here, 3 is here and 3 is also here. So I will write here 3 once time. Only one time. So I will take next number. Next number is 13. But 13 is not there. So I will not take 13. I need to check 2. I will take again 2. No, because I have covered all the 78 factors. So I don't need check any number and 2. So I get 2 and 3. Here, so SCF is 2 multiply 3 is which is 6. So SCF of this number is 6. So you can use very easily prime factorization method. This is the answer 6.